All right, so the videos you're seeing in the background is the work that I've been working on, getting prepared for. What would be the need and the necessity to build another machine besides media, which I believe is becoming decentralized, besides the fiat financial structure, which is not decentralizing so much so as diversifying the confines of what we're going to call national borders. So, building a machine now, for me, every machine I've ever built has been right at the cusp of the transition. And I've had to build the machine because it needed to keep up. Like the laptop I have can't keep up with what we're seeing in artificial intelligence. And I figured I'm not going to teach you how to build the machines. There's plenty of people online that you can watch a video, go figure that out, because that'll be an opportunity for you to potentially have an excuse not to move forward. I don't want to give you that excuse. Even if you have to buy a machine, what you're looking for, the specs, the course that I'm going to be rolling out today is going to be building an AI machine on your local. And I feel that's important for everybody to see this, that it's possible, and to see what's possible. As we get ready for AI agencies, right? Where you have AI agents, where you're going to have this autonomous workload that's going to begin to happen. You're going to see that not only from companies like ours, but you're going to see it from companies everywhere, out pretty much all at once, because the media companies are now on the cusp of the tech, which has always been the case. The media companies that are doing crazy stuff with cameras like bullet time for the Matrix. You're going to see now this pivot into, wait a minute, now I can create stories. I can be able to create media and then get that media distributed. And in an era where they say you will own nothing and like it, which is what they want, because you're using AI, he was right, because you'll have no copyrights. So the goal is for them and the system at bay at large as it is, as it stands and where it's going, is going into that same place where you're going to have to see cash flow in the system. How are you working? Are you looking at companies to give you money, or are you preparing yourself for making it on your own? Remember, if it's just fiat and all we're dealing with is fiat, like this, we have our money's not tied to gold or platinum, silver, nothing. It's tied to just the strength of the nation, of the dollar, of the workforce, of the work. Well, that work is not the same anymore. And we're getting ready to have another collapse of an economy. Not collapse as in I think all hell's going to break loose. I think it's already happened. The transition from where we went from analog to now we're going digital. We're shopping online instead of going to a mall. We're playing games online instead of playing in a park. We're finding dates online rather than going to a bunch of external social gatherings like clubs and bars and doing all this external stuff to try to find a mate. We'll find them online, then you'll meet in physical, then you'll see where it goes. Now, in that type of ease into the system where everything seemingly is becoming a digitized asset. We have to think that all of that's going to run down. And that means how you're perceived, or what machines do you own in a era where the machine makes money, not you. This is the era we're going into. They are calling it the Internet of Things, where machines talk to other machines and make payments to other machines without the need for human intervention. And then they'll be building their businesses autonomously. It's already beginning. So, what machines do you have working for you? Or are you just a consumer, a worthless eater? What are you producing? And we have to produce more than just music now. Now you're producing entire entertainment. And that's what these courses are going to begin to roll out and show. I want you to see how you begin to build a media business from scratch. It starts with what you're seeing right now. So make sure you go to the website, check out labs.toxichustle.com, and go in and check out. I'll have the build out video there. It's not in depth right now. We'll put it out and make it more in depth for those that really want it, but it's just a longer version of what you see here, slowed down a bit so that you can kind of see more of the build. Still not much being said other than it's going to have the overlays of where we were in the building process. So this is really a speed build out so that you can see, as well as the sign up for our AI course. Installing installing AI locally on your private machine. We'll have that course coming out. The episodes are being shot as we speak. So make sure that you check out for that. I look forward to seeing y'all in the community. And let's get ready for 2025 the right way.